iPhone settings that almost doubled my battery life. First is you need to stop auto updates. Open up your settings. From the settings, you need to scroll down and you'll have apps. Tap on it. From the apps, you need to go with your app store. Under your app store, you will have an option of app downloads, app updates, and in-app content. You need to go and turn all of these off. And you'll have automatic downloads. You need to go and turn off your automatic downloads as well. And the second one is you need to turn off your analytics improvement. Go back and scroll down, go with privacy and security. Under privacy and security, scroll down again, and you will have analytics and improvements. Tap on it, and then turn off share iPhone analytics. Once you've turned all of these buttons off, your problem will be fixed. The third one is disable product improvement. Again, open up your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down again and go with privacy and security. Under privacy and security, go with location services. And under location services, in my case, it's turned off. But if it's turned on, you need to scroll down and then go with system services. And here you need to scroll down, and under product improvement, you'll have improved location accuracy. You need to turn it off. iPhone analytics, route and traffic, improve maps. You need to turn all of these off. After that, you'll have significant location and routes. You need to tap on it. And here under significant locations, you need to turn this off as well. Tap on turn off. And after that, fourth one is change your mail settings. Open up your settings again. Under settings, you need to scroll down, go with apps. Under apps, you need to scroll down again and find mail. Once you're on your mail, go with mail accounts. And here you will have fetch new data. You need to tap on it. And here you need to toggle this off. Scroll down, select manually, and that's it. Now the fifth one is use dark mode and dark themes. Go with your settings again, scroll down, go with display and brightness, and here you will have dark option, right? You need to go and select dark mode. After that, you need to tap and hold on to your home screen. Go with edit, which is on the top left. And here you need to tap on customize. Under customize, you will have dark option. Tap on dark, and it will increase your battery life. Now the next thing is you need to open up your settings again. Under settings, scroll down, go with general. Under general, scroll down again and go with background app refresh. And here you need to turn off your background app refresh. That's it. These were the few settings that almost double your battery life. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.